Hi students, good morning to all. Dear students, in your ninth standard, you learn about more concept in your number system, type of numbers, and also irrational number, rational numbers, irrational number on the number line, and also decimal number, decimal to fractions, fractions to decimals also, irrational numbers. Today we will discuss about only representing the real number on the number line. For example, the visualize 3.652 on the number line using successive magnification. For example, is the given number is 3.652 is there. This is one decimal point, decimal number you can write on the number line. This is the one real number you can write on number line. For example, therefore, first of all, step 1, therefore, write on number line. Step 1 is first draw one number line. This is one number line. 3.652. This number is in between only 3 and 4. Therefore, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. What is? 4 is the. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore, 3 point. This is 3 number points. After 6 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is the. This is 3.6 is the 3.6. After you get 3.65 is the. Again step 2. Step 2, right? Again one number line. 3.6 and 5 means in between these two number 3.6 to 3.7 in these two number, in between these two number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 6.5, sorry, 3.6 after 5 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is 3.65 is the. After next third step 3, again write this whole number. Therefore, again draw one number line. 3.652, you can mark this like the starting number is 3.64 and also this side is 3.66 is there. In between these two numbers, therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is there. Therefore 3.65 remaining 2 is the 1, 2. This number is 3.652 is the. This is a number on the number line. 3 digits are 3 number lines are. This is number line. This is most important in your 9th standard 2 marks question in your examinations. Or 3 marks question also arise. Next you can take a second example. Next one is visualize 4.6 bar is the on the number line up to 4 decimal places. The first one is you can write solution. Therefore, 4 decimal places are here na. 4 means 4.6 bar is equal to, you can take 4 decimal points. 4.666 is the right. Therefore, solution. The step 1 is write the number line. 4.6 between which numbers are here? Only 4 and 5 is the numbers. 3, 4 and 5 is there. 4 and 5 between take 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Therefore 4.6 is there. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 4.6 is there. First step is over. And second step 1. Step 2. Step 2 is again take the number line. In this number line 4.66 is in between 4.6 and 4.6 7. 4.7. Next, in between these two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the 4.6. After 6 is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is therefore 4.66 is there. After third step number 3, again draw one number line. Therefore, again 4.666 3 digit on in the number line. Therefore, 4.66 to 4.67 is there. Therefore 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 8, 9 is the. Therefore, 4.66 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is 4.666 is the. Again, 7 is the, no problem. Last step is step number 4. Again, draw number line on the decimal number on the number line. Therefore, 4.4 is the 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4 times is the. Therefore, this number is 4.662. In between 4.667 is the. Therefore, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 is the. This is 4.667 is the. Consider 4.6666 is the 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This number is 4.6666 on the number line. This is your example. This example also most important in your examination. Do yourself. The next one is the operations of real numbers are here. Next, operations of real numbers are, for example, operations means addition, subtraction, multiplication, division is the real numbers are. You can take this like root first one, root a plus root a is equal to what? These two are real rational numbers or real number also. The operation of real numbers means root a plus root a is equal to 2 root a. The second one also here, therefore root a minus root a is equal to 0 is the. Again third one is what? Therefore root a into root a is equal to square root cancel, only a is the only a. The next one is the fourth one, root a divided by root a is equal to directly 1 is the operations of only real numbers. The next, some examples on real numbers. Therefore, root a plus root b whole square is equal to what? Root a plus root b whole square is equal to root a whole square plus root b whole square plus 2 into root a into root b is there. The next, therefore, square root cancel only a plus square root cancel b. Therefore, 2 into root a into root b means again therefore root ab. Again same this like formula also here, no problem. The next we can study about the different variables. For example, root a plus root b is equal to root a root b is equal to, no problem, no addition, root a plus root b as it is. Again root a minus root b is equal to same as it is root a minus root b. But root a into root b is equal to into root ab. Root ab is there. Again root a divided by root b is equal to root a by b is there. These are some rule in operations of real numbers are here. Some operations of real numbers are here. You can check yourself some examples on number operations of real number. Some examples. Study about some examples on the first one. Example number 1. Add 2 root 2 plus 5 root 3 and root 2 minus 3 root 3. First example. Second one, multiply 6 root 5 by 2 root 5. Solution. Therefore, these two addition is the addition of these two solution. Therefore, the first term is 2 into root 2 plus 5 into root 3. Second term is 2 root 2 minus 3 root 3 is the addition is the 2 into root 2 plus 5 into root 3. First term is over plus second term 5 root 2 minus 3 into root 3 is the next simplification. Simplification is very easy. 2 into root 2 plus 5 into root 3 plus root 2 minus 3 into root 3 is the first you can take separately root 2 root 2 root 2 root 2. Therefore, 2 root 2 is the in this only root 2 is the 3 root 2. Next, comparing these two numbers, root 3 root 3, 5 root 3 minus 3 root 3. Again, therefore, 2 root 3. The answer is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is the second one. Multiplication is the solution. Multiplication is equal to 6 into root 5 into 2 into root 5. In the multiplication, first of all, you can multiply only real numbers. 6 2s are 12 into root 5 into 5. Provide therefore 12 into root 25. Therefore 12 into root 25 value of directly square number is the 5. 12 5 is 60 is the. You know about this slide. Root a into root a is equal to a only. Otherwise, this is also root 5 into root 5 is equal to only 5 is there. Only 5 is there. Okay? You can do some example in your homework. This slide I shall continue next class.